Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep.
Hey guys, so today I finally did an actual vlog at school today. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Inside boy.
Oh my god! What you doing? Vlog. I'm gonna post it. It's rainy.
Come on, sugar daddy.
You wanna say hi to my vloggy friend? You wanna be
Hi,
famous?
Wall.
I said vlog.
Oh, log.
Vlog.
Wall thinking.
Natalie.
Why didn't you answer my text? Why didn't you answer my phone call? Why didn't you answer anything? I'd be like, because you don't pay my phone bill.
Exactly.
You see?
You're funny.
Good job, you friend. Good job, you friend.
Thank you.
You're funny.
That's free advice.
Thank you for the life lesson.
But he gets mad too.
Cool.
Time to go to class. Jenny. Oh, and before I forget, here's the outfit of the day. Gap sweater, baggy jeans, Converse, and a white collared shirt for school uniform. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Me vlogging at school on a rainy day. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more. So yeah, bye.